Hello everyone, I'm back with another package. And it is a new in-box Salty's green coat of paint. He's so cool. I never actually had this version of green salt. I never actually had a green salty before, so this is so cool. Let's open him up. Okay, we have another one of these instructions. I thought there was going to be another checklist for 2012. A checklist for 2012 in here, but I was wrong. Checklist or not checklist, or no checklist. Still happy to own this guy. It's so cool. Okay, I'm just gonna put in a battery. Perfect. Just like Dot, this train is so cool. I'm really happy to own another Salty.